Don't download Mailchimp Enterprise Marketing Automation app before watching this. Before you download the Mailchimp Enterprise Marketing Automation app, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Most people think Mailchimp is just an email newsletter tool, but the surprising truth is that the enterprise version is far more powerful. Problem is, most teams never use that power correctly. Mailchimp Enterprise includes automation, customer journeys, predictive segmentation, surveys, dynamic content, and advanced analytics. It's built for teams that want to grow without spending hours inside complicated workflows. But here's what most users get wrong. They install the app and start blasting emails without building a proper customer journey. You won't believe what happens next: low engagement, unsubscribes, and inconsistent results. Mailchimp works best when you set up behavioral paths. For example, you can create journeys like, if the customer clicks this link, send this offer. If they don't, send a different message 48 hours later. These branching automations can improve conversions by up to 50%. Enterprise also includes multivariate testing, which lets you test multiple subject lines, designs, or calls to action at once. That means smarter decisions backed by real engagement data. But Mailchimp does have limitations. It's not as advanced as Marketo or HubSpot when it comes to deep automation. If you're managing complex BE funnels or multi-touch scoring, you may outgrow it. But if you want an intuitive, powerful, accessible platform for email and customer journeys, Mailchimp hits the sweet spot. So before downloading the Enterprise app, ask yourself, do I want a clean, simple tool with automation, or do I need deep level complexity? Your answer will tell you if Mailchimp is right for your team. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more friendly tool reviews, hit like and subscribe so you never miss the next one.